In this lecture, I will be showing you how you can customize the menu for the website. So we have already imported the demo data. Now let's see how the website looks. If you refresh it once, now you will be able to see that menu has been added, but it looks very weird. Also, there are many posts that have been added, and you can see the home page is a post page. You don't need a blog page as your home page. So let's start with menu customization, then with home page customization. So how to change the menu? It's very simple. Head over to appearance and then menus. You can see there are many menus that have been created. Now let's create our new menu. Let's name it as new menu and click on create menu. Okay, so this will be our main menu, and let's try to add items like my account, gallery, home, about us, booking, contact, gallery, our news, restaurant, terms and conditions, and testimonials. Let's add to the menu. Okay, you can see the menu has been changed. Now let's try to rearrange it. Let's add booking, contact, our news at last, testimonials below booking, restaurants, gallery, about us first, our news at last, terms and conditions below booking, and yeah, it's done. Now let's refresh it. Let's save it once and then let's refresh it once. Now you can see the menu has been changed, and if you hover over the booking, you can see a testimonial and terms and conditions. You can see a gallery below restaurant also. So now let's try to change our home page. Go to settings and reading. Now select a static page and pick the home page. There are 6 home pages that have been already provided with the theme. Now let's use home page 1 and save it. Now if we refresh it once, the home page will be changed. Okay, so our home page has been changed, but it doesn't look that good. So in the next lecture, I will be showing you how we can customize the home page.